Matthew, what are you doing?
Driving car.
Taking your first driving lesson?
Yes, I am taking my first driving lesson.
What's the three different gears that the basic gears that the car goes in?
Park, reverse, and drive.
Okay. And what's the two different pedals?
Accelerate and brakes.
Okay. And for the first lesson today, we're not gonna do what?
We're not gonna drive.
Accelerate, because you don't need the car accelerates on its own. We're just gonna practice taking your foot off the brake and then putting your foot back on the brake.
Okay.
What are you doing? Is your foot on the brake? And you can only shift the gear when you have your foot on the brakes. So keep your foot on the brake. Keep your foot on the brake. Push it down. Lift it up a little bit, just a little bit, slowly. Slowly. No. Let it slow. Put it down a little bit. Push it down a little bit. All right. Let it up a little bit. And now turn it. Let it up a little bit. Let up off the brake a little bit. Now turn the wheel. That way. Keep your foot on the brake. Turn it. Keep turning. Turn it all the way. Come on. Yeah. Now let your foot off. Go. Let your foot off of it. Let your foot off of it. All right. Put your foot back down. Slowly on the brake. All right. Now let the wheel let the wheel straighten itself out. Like go this way. All right. Let it off. Let it off. Look at how I did that. Now we're gonna go like this. Hold the wheel. Turn it. Keep turning it. Oh, look at you! Look at you! Look at you! Now slowly put the foot on the brake. Slowly put your foot on the brake. On the brake, buddy. Are you listening? Is your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
Now push down. Okay, now I want you to take your foot off and I want you to straighten it out. You know what the straighten it out means?
Yes.
All right. Let it off a little bit, just lightly. Straighten it out. You gotta keep it going. This is. Oh, now we're straight. Oh, look at it. Let go of the brake. Let go of the brake. I'm just gonna do some steering. Hold the wheel, buddy. Up here. Yep. So now you're gonna do a left turn left around up here. You're gonna look at the lines. You see the lines at the end of the parking lot?
Yes.
All right. Is your foot on the brake?
Yes.
Now turn. You gotta turn fast, buddy. There you go. But keep on the lines. Keep outside the lines, buddy. You went over the lines. Keep going. Keep turning. You gotta keep turning. Now, not that sharp. Okay, now let it go. Let it back. Do it. Yeah. Now go straight. You want to get straight over here in this lane.
Are you gonna tell Mama?
Oh, Mama's gonna see the whole recording, buddy. Ooh, you gonna?
My friend?
No, I don't want you telling your friends.
I already joked about it.
You said what?
I already joked about
Okay.
it. I asked them if
Buddy,
they
go straight.
started their driving lessons, and then they looked at me crazy, and then I told them it was a joke.
You're gonna go up around here and we're gonna turn around again. So you watched how I did it. Nope, we're going straight. Start turning the wheel. Yeah, start turning. Now all the way. Now let it back. Let it back a little bit. A little bit. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning that way. Now let it go back a little bit. Cause you're. There you go. Keep going straight. I'm going straight though. You gotta let it straighten out. There you go. Now it's straight. Now use the brake. Slow down. Slowly. 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 Slow it down all the way to the stop. How was that first driving lesson, buddy?
Fun.
It was fun?
Mm-hmm.
You think you can do this?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see. That's driving lesson number 1. December 11th, 2021. Let's put it in park. I want you to practice. Keep your foot on the brake. That's drive. Oh wait, that's neutral. That's drive. Now let your foot off the brake. All right. Now put it back on the brake. Put it in park. Wait. There you go. So you hear that? That's brake. Park. All right, let's get out.